Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download the Survivor EO++ app, the app that allows you to get the Survivor EO mod menu without having to pay for anything, and it's super simple, super easy. I'm going to show you how to do that. As you can see, I have the free gems and the God mode activated, so yeah, it's super simple, super easy, and if you guys want to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the app that I'm going to be showing you how to download today is called Survivor EO++, and basically this app / hack allows you to install the Survivor EO mod menu. When I go ahead and click into that, you can see I am in the Survivor EO mod menu. I have free gems, God mode, all upgrades unlocked, and I'm going to go ahead and click that God mode right underneath the free gems. As you can see, I added the God mode onto my account and I can, do that. So yeah, it's super simple and super easy. I'm going to be showing you guys how to download that today, but before we do that, we're going to have to make a few setting changes in our settings app just to make sure that our phone and the app are compatible and that it can download successfully. So the first thing we're going to do is scroll down to battery right down here. You're going to see that low power mode. You're going to want to make sure that the low power mode's off, because when it's on, it's not really using your battery as much or working as hard, because it's preserving your battery. So you're going to want to make sure that that is off. And when you're done with that, you're going to go into general, and in the general we're going to do two things. The first thing we're going to do is go to the about tab, and right down here you're going to see that software version. You're going to want to make sure that your software is updated to at least iOS 10. We are on iOS 15.4.1, so that means we're good to download it. So go ahead and check that out, and when you're done with that, we're going to go back into general, and we're going to do that second thing that I was talking about. The second thing we're going to do is scroll down to background app refresh right over here. Background app refresh right at the top. You're going to click that. There are going to be three options of off: Wi-Fi, and cellular data. You're going to want to be on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option. I don't really know why, but just make sure that you're on that. And when I first downloaded it, I was already on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option, so I didn't really have to do much. It wasn't I didn't really have to do anything. So, but yeah, just go ahead and check that out just to be sure. Go ahead and click that Wi-Fi and cellular data option. And when you're done with that, we're going to close out and go back into the general tab, and we're going to stay here because we're going to do something with this later. But the next thing we're going to do is go to our favorite web browser. You can use Safari. I like using Chrome. That's why it's down here. And when you get to your web browser, you're going to type in this website called appbuild.vip, spelled APPBUILD.vip. And it takes you to the super cool website that has a bunch of your favorite apps that are hacked. And you can go ahead and download whatever you want. But right now we are going to be downloading the Survivor EO mod menu thingy. Survivor EO++, as you can see, there is right there. I'm going to go ahead and click that blue install button. Should only take about 30 seconds, nothing too crazy, so we'll just wait for that to download. Oh, close. Alright, we're just about finishing up. And then it's going to say this configuration profile available. All you need to do is click continue. And then it's going to take you to this other pop-up. All you need to do is just click that allow button. And then it's going to say the profile is installed. So basically all it's saying is we need to go into our settings app to further install it. So we're going to do that. We're going to click close. We're going to go into our settings app. Like I said before, we're going to be doing something with it later. So we're going to go into our VPN and device management section right over here. And you're going to see that Survivor EO++ installer is waiting for us to finish installing it. So right at the top, it's going to say install. Click install in the top right corner. And then down at the bottom, it's going to ask you for your passcode. It's going to say consent. You just need to click next. It's going to say warning. Don't worry, nothing's going to happen. Just click install. You're going to click install right here. And then install again down at the bottom. and then it's going to say profile is installed. All you need to do is click this done button and close out. And as you can see, there is the Survivor EO++ game, the app slash like hack that allows you to get the Survivor EO mod menu. So yeah, I really hope this helped you guys out and was easy to follow along with. But yeah, I really hope this helped you out, and I will see you guys later.